Hello friends, welcome to my channel True Facts Teaching. First of all, I request you to please like, share, subscribe my channel and enable all notifications while getting my all videos uninterruptedly. Today I am going to reveal true facts of an important homeopathic medicine, Belladonna. Homeopathic medicine, Belladonna, is derived from the plant Atropa belladonna, commonly known as the Deadly Nightshade. Homeopathic medicine, Belladonna, is closely related to color red and the right side. Belladonna is a homeopathic remedy for a broad range of symptoms which frequently have the following in common. Rapid onset of intense symptoms, worse on the right side, worse around 3 p.m., worse from hormonal changes. Belladonna may also be indicated by sensitivity to sound and light. Right-sided ear pain in children with high fever and severe pain. Right-sided sore throats with bright red throat and swollen tonsils. Right-sided sciatica with great pain upon onset of motion. Right-sided pounding headaches worsened by light, noise, stepping and menses. Sunburns that are bright red and dry, hot to the touch. Dilated pupils may crave lemons or lemonade, throbbing pain. Toothache with sudden, intense throbbing pain. Gums are hot and red. Mental symptoms angry and delirious. It's better from beating, resting in bed, bending backward. Worse from evening or nights, teeth touch together. Eating, heat, touch, motion, light, noise, sensory, stepping hard sun. In my next video, I will reveal true facts of some other important homeopathic medicine. Thanks.